Good morning, good morning. Oh my gosh, this thing is. Can you guys hear me? Let me see. Okay, there. Oh, it happened again, man, where my subscription on Tradecaster just disappears and I'm not a member anymore, and so I have to call Sean, tell him last minute to fix it and re-add me, and this is like the fifth or sixth time that happens. It's like the fifth or sixth time something like that happens. Okay, but I'm here. All right, I'm here. Good morning, everybody. I see some of you guys are already in here, and I couldn't get here a little bit faster. But September, new month. August was okay. It wasn't the best month, but we definitely picked it up towards the end. We definitely picked up. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Okay. Now, I mean, it's just so much stuff to get ready now, and it takes me a good amount of time, so. I think I'm all ready. I think I'm all ready and ready to go. So the trader is in here. Merce is in here. Lang is in here. Urban Trades is in here. Fish Dude. Good morning. Good morning. Trader Dad. Elvinar. Johnny. Coots. I see Coots. Ape Trace is back with us. Ape Trace missed out yesterday. I think he's back with us today now for sure. The Awakened One. Welcome back. Welcome back. From Greece. Coots, good morning, man. YouTube people, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Got 13 of you guys over there. Okay, gappers. What do I got for gappers? What do I have for gappers? Where's my halt scan on here? There we go. Alright, so I have, what do you guys have? Let me see. I saw John again up at like 4 in the morning, man. You're insane. You're insane, John. And then you trade all the way to Power Hour, too. Oh my god, my shoulder's been killing me. Avaya held. Am I? I think I sold all of it. All right. Yeah, I sold all of it. But crazy. Okay, but I do have HPCO on one of mine. Oh, a dead cat bounce. 41.8 is the high. I mean, maybe we can play it, but dead cat bounces, Oh well. HPCO, especially when they're so expensive, like $40, and they're like at $5. Not the best setups. I'd rather them be like $10 and then sitting at 7, 5, 8. Yo, what's up, Joni? Magna Live, what's up? FMTX, that does not look good at all either. What about BGXX? BGXX 348 high, never broke through 50. That's our first target. What does our daily look like on this one? Are we DGen trading SHPH today? I'll take a look at it. Oh, this one's already making a nice little move. Also, another dead cat bounce. This thing was $58. BGXX used to be $58 and now it's sitting at $3. You see? I mean, yeah, if we see trades, we'll trade them, but that's not the setups I want to look at. Sorry, Lang, but I'll trade the best, the opposite of you. SHPH, good morning, Rebel and Beats, and good morning, John on YouTube. SHPH, $110. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, Bede. I wish all the low caps are doing what all these large no volume stocks are doing. PXMD. Man, I am not seeing good gappers today. What's up, the Pokey Gamble on TikTok? What's up? I'm right here. You guys can't see me. Um, Let me see. This is PXMD. I am not seeing good gappers today. You guys have a good gapper y'all like? Today is the start of a new month, September 10:48. Hi. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna scale up and make millions now or what? Jay-Z, another stock. This one might be a little better, I think. Also a dead cat bounce. Gosh dang, man. A dead cat bounce from 186. What? Every single stock this morning is a dead cat bounce from at least $50 all the way down to $3. All of them are. So this so far, you've seen AMC. I have not seen AMC recently. What did AMC do? Holy crap, I have so many tickers. I don't need all these tickers. Delete, 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 delete. We got 5 minutes left. We got some time. Avaya did hold, man. Avaya did hold. Avaya is still looking for that. I think it's 165. I'm deleting a bunch of these stickers because otherwise I try to look up a stock and somehow it's already on my watch list, and then I have to scroll up and look for it instead of just typing it and knowing it's already there. So give me a second real quick. Unless they look really good, then I'm keeping an eye on them, but I haven't seen anything that looks good worth trading today. And if so, I usually have alerts on a lot of things. Back up the highs or stuff like that. See, like all these have alerts. I can see them. So I'll just delete them for now, and then if my alerts trigger or they show up on momentum scatter, then I go back and look at them. There's Ape. But it is the start of new month, so I tried scaling up in August. I took a bigger loss in Tuesday of the first week of August. Almost down, I think I was down like 3 or 4K that day, and I think I finished at like negative 2K that day. But I turned her back around, and I still came out green in August. Wasn't the best month, but wasn't bad. I mean, just a decent month. But, you know, I'm trying to scale up. I'm trying to scale up. So, let's see if September gives me possibilities, trade anything to be able to do that. Oh my gosh, how many tickers did I have? I've deleted at least 50, and I'm not even back to my usual watch list. Okay, there we go. Okay, what did I miss? What's up, Honey Hole? What's up, Rafiki? There is practically nothing. That's what I'm seeing. I topped at $1 a share. Hell of a way to end the day. This was yesterday on what, MEGL? MEGL was crazy. Yeah. So I'm telling you guys, if you guys want to keep trading, you guys gotta head to the Discord. What am I watching so far? I got a lot of dead cat bounces. HPCO, BGXX, JZ, and PXMD. HP Saman, have a great day. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, if you guys want to keep trading for the rest of the day, you guys have to check out the Discord because these guys again nailed MEGL last night. Look at this. I saw it, but I didn't trade it. But looking at 5 minutes and just chart patterns, this thing gave a very nice flag. Look at all this volume sticks and then pulls back down. And then look at these two red candles right here. Boom, boom. Look at that volume. Practically dead. Practically dead. Goes from 1 million shares traded down to 200,000 shares traded, and then it forms a low right here, right here, touches that trend line, and then explodes from 7 all the way to almost 9. SXTC. SXTC. Let me look at this one. We have a minute 30 left. SXTC. This one's already going to give me trouble, I can tell. 241 high. I don't mind this one. This looks a little bit better in our usual stocks. So I'll mark that 241 high. I'll mark this 217 pivot, and then yesterday's high of 175, and then pre-market high of 189. People on YouTube, good morning, Ben Moore. Good morning, Micah Israel. Ben Maureen, good morning. Rob, welcome back, man. Rob. Hey, Rob, I think you commented on my video last night. Hopefully I can helped you out with whatever you were asking. My name is Jose. First time in the chat. Welcome, everybody. Everybody, welcome, Jose. Micah, good morning, good morning. I didn't realize this, guys, but I can't even monetize YouTube unless I have 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys could please go and follow and subscribe on my YouTube, I'd appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. HP Saman, if you can't use Thinkorswim because of where you live, I would look for another broker. You might have to pay commissions, though. You're going to have to probably use interactive brokers. Interactive brokers. Okay, market is about to open. This is a brand new month. Let's see what we got at market open. Let's see what we got. SXTC. I mean, I'm going to keep an eye on these other ones, too, but MEGL could still make a move as well, yeah. But MEGL is the same thing, a dead cat bounce, so we'll see. Honestly, I am not liking anything today. If I just, I mean, I always say if I don't take a trade, then I'm fine, but it hasn't been a day that I just don't take a trade. So, but I'll just be patient. I'll just be patient. I mean, Jay-Z, maybe Jay-Z. This thing used to be $190. Jay-Z trying to make a little bit of a move right now, a little bit of a move. I do have SXTC on watch. I'm going to keep an eye on momentum scanner. Anything that starts popping up, I'll keep an eye on it real quick. TikTok people, appreciate all the likes you guys are sending. Everything on there, appreciate that. Jay-Z is rallying off the open. CryptoWire, good morning, Crypto. CryptoWire is everywhere. CryptoWire is here on Tradecaster. CryptoWire is here on YouTube. CryptoWire is here on TikTok. She's everywhere. Jay-Z, this 673 could be a good entry, but you know this is the first minutes of market open. Is this gonna hold or is this gonna flush? SHPH halted, yeah, halted right under 110. It halted right under 110. Oh, sorry, I like yawned straight into the camera. Sin tight still, sin tight still. SXTC maybe making a little bit of a move back up. This one I would be looking for $2, so let's see if we can get this thing. I might take a dip entry here on SXTC. Oh no, I have this thing, stupid thing. This is just small scabs. The ones I want to average in are the bigger plays, the ones that I feel really confident about. This is just small scalp. Recovered VWAP. See if we hold VWAP and keep curling back up to 189, $2. A lot of buyers down at VWAP on this stock. Looking at SXTC. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I just sold that and it had a little bit of pop. CMRA maybe? CMRA maybe? What was the high on CMRA? I made like $62 on that one. CMRA 285 high. Okay, I'm liking this one. I'm liking this one. And then HPCO. HPCO just completely turned. Oh, HPCO is halted. What the heck, man? How did that halt like that? CMRA. PXMD is doing the same thing, or trying. PXMD trying to get back up to $4 on PXMD. I'm looking at PXMD. So HPCO halted. And now I'm looking back at, I'm going to keep an eye on PXMD for now, but HPCO, when it resumes, take a look at that one. And then SXTC, I took a small trade on SXTC. I wanted to see if it would curl up to $2. I took $60 gain, but that one is not really moving. FMTX, I'm not even going to watch today. You're only taking 5-minute setups today. Then stick to it, stick to it, stick to it. PXMD, making the move. This one had a $10 high, so at least it's not a dead cat bounce from like $60 or $180. So maybe this one might be a little bit better. But I do want to see if I made a pullbacks on any of these and see what we can find. This one also has a little bit of a downtrend pattern right here. Very tight though. It's kind of almost at the top. So it's almost like if it breaks that downtrend, it's already hitting for highs. So I am going to keep an eye on HPCO on resumption on HPCO. The high of this day was 964, so maybe we get a trade through that high and up to $10 on HPCO. Being disciplined. There we go. There we go. HPCO halted. Yeah, I saw that. Let me look at SXTC still consolidating. This is consolidating over yesterday's high, so this one not too bad right now. This is the one I tried taking a small scalp through here, trying to get a break of high a day, but did not open up. Did not open up, did not open up. Oh, now it kind of wants to. 189 is high of day. After that, I would be looking for $2 on this thing. And then 219 after that, 228 after that. There goes PXMD. PXMD trying to break a high. Jofi, are you in here, Jofi? Lots of selling orders from 9 to 9:10 on HPCO. Okay, SXTC not breaking that 175. Not holding break. What is the name of it, please? Name of what on TikTok? What is the name of what? So I have an alert on SXTC, but I am waiting to see a perfect 5-minute setup and see if we can scale in on one of those pretty big today. 8:33.24 was a halt, so this should be resumed at 8:30. 8:38. Okay, 8:38.24. So we got about a minute left on this one. Good morning, Bilal. Honestly, on HPCO, I am looking for high of day, which is 964, and I want to look for the break of 10. The break of the first double digits. Up, and there goes SXTC. A little bit, a little bit. SXTC. Keep that one on watch. Break of 189 to $2. The platform is Thinkorswim. SXTC cannot squeeze, so CMRA. CMRA trying to get over VWAP. I see it. HPCO should be live here in about 20 seconds. Exactly. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 10 seconds left on this stock. Do we get up to 964? Maybe a second halt up to $10. This one's moving fast. This one's moving fast. Live. Watching it, watching it, watching it. Not playing that like that. Not playing that like that. I'm trying to scale up, but I'm not trying to be stupid. You know? I'm trying to scale up and make money, but I'm not trying to be stupid and jump in on random stuff like that. So that was a little bit of good discipline on my end to not chase that thing. Could have traded it from 9, that little bit of a bounce there, but that would have, if that wouldn't have worked, that is one that, if that wouldn't have worked, that is one of those that completely turn around on you and halt down, and then you can't even sell. Crypto Niche, what's up on TikTok? And the bull looks real sussy. That bull up top. Sniper trades. There you are, man. Do you read fundamentals, suit? Not really. I do not. I do not read fundamentals. CMRA. Can CMRA get over VWAP? Did anybody trade HPCO on that move? Yeah. No worries, no worries. Just was kind of hoping you're not leaving us for good because you missed yesterday and I think you missed a day last week too, Sniper Trace. We need your alerts. We need your alerts. Welcome back, Sniper Trace. Welcome back. Anybody caught that? Did you take a trade in ATXG? No, I did not. If 959 holds on HPC, a previous, almost previous high. That might be a little too much of a dip on that one, Blair. I think that stock tried to break out already and on up there through 180. Here, I mean, you had several attempts at this stock tried to break out, and it was holding yesterday's high of day. So this should have been the dips here, trying to get the break of 189 up to $2, and we couldn't get that. CMRA, does CMRA want to open up? PXMD. That one looks better. CMRA to me looks good, but the 5 minutes is creating topping wicks, so you want to see it opposite. You want to see the opposite. Snap is on my scanners again. Oh, back up to that 1150 from yesterday. 1160 was high on Snap yesterday. Snap back up to 1150. 1160 is highs from yesterday. What is my trade? I don't know what my trades are yet. I've only taken one trade, but I am looking at Snap right now. And NTNX. I see it on Momentum Scanner. Oh, it's a little too expensive. I want to see Snap. Snap through 1160. 1160 was yesterday's high on Snap. Let's see if we can get it. TC is trade zero? Is that what you're saying? I'm looking at Snap, seeing if it holds this 1150. Seeing if Snap makes a quick 1 minute flag down here, and then we get that move through 1150 again and back up to 1160 new high. I'm averaging small on this one. See if we get that move back up. There's a lot of sellers up there, but look at the time and sells. Time and sells gets all green. Oh, their charts are lagging. Oh, that sucks, man. Be careful. If they lag like that, I would just not trade. CMRA has room to 250. I do see that, but I want CMRA to start opening up. I want to see if Snap turns back around though and gives me a quick trade over 1160 though. I want to see 1160 on Snap. Here we go. Let's move through 1150 again. No, we can't get through 1150. Stopped out there for a break-even trade. Still trying to average in on. There goes HPCO again, but I am not trading that thing. I'm just not gonna trade that thing. CMRA still see it, but it's not quite opening. I'm trying Snap over here. I'm seeing if this 1 minute flag here on Snap will hold and gives us a trade back up to 1160. 1150 is pretty strong on this thing for some reason. There's a little bit of an opening. I want to add a little bit bigger on this play, but it can't. $11.50 is holding like a champ, but that is what I want. If we break 11.50, we might get a nice squeeze. This is now, look at this. This is now closed here as a 5-minute candle, and now it's pulling back as a 5-minute candle on the 5-minute chart. This is what I want to see. A nice little pullback, maybe that 11.4. But we cannot get it moved through 11.50. Here it is again through 11.50, and look how many shorts there is. So Snap is getting a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers through this area. So let's see what we do. Either we break 11.50 and go to 11.60, or we might have a little flush. But I want to see if buyers really step up and get a nice move through 11.50 up to 11.60. This one had news yesterday. Watching everything else though. I saw CMRA pull back and everything else. HPCO also pulled back. So here goes Snap. Here goes Snap. Trying to close over 11.50. No. Wow, that's incredible. That is honestly incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles going over 11.50. Not a single one. Not a single one can break. There goes HPCO again. Oh my gosh. Now Snap goes for it. Now Snap goes for it when I stopped out. This happens every time. Yeah, we could not break 11.60. That's the move that I was looking for. Okay, no, but I really take trades off of it. CMR rating to 250. There goes this one again. Through 1160 is what we're looking for. My Thinkorswim is frozen. My Thinkorswim froze a little bit there. That's unfortunate. Okay, what are you guys looking at? Enob is flagging. Enob, that was from yesterday. So I took a $100 loss on Snap. I could not get that break of 160. Took a $60 win and then took a $100 loss. So I'm break even today. Mine lagged a little bit there, so but that's okay. This one's trying to set up a nice flag. Somebody mentioned this one out earlier. NTNX trying to set up a nice little flag. AMA it does have to catch up a little bit. Snap could not break 1160 is what I was looking for. Sniper trades. Any trades yet? Anybody any trades yet? You might call it a day soon if you don't see it. HPCO is forming a big old flag. I will say that. So it's holding a big pennant. So we would have to see what happens through this pennant. Do we break out of it? Do we not? Do we break down? Break up? It had a lot of volume on this 5-minute candle there. But there's not a stock that's obvious, right? Yesterday we at least had some stocks that were uptrending. Dark Cloud, what's up, man? But today I'm not seeing a lot. Maybe Snap makes a 5-minute flag, seeing if this thing wants to pull back with low volume. There goes Enob. A little bit. This seems choppy volume too. 328 is high on Enob. So Enob, if we start breaking through $2, 285, maybe we can get up to 3, and that will be a nice trade up there. CMRA, I saw a couple of you guys mentioning CMRA. That one also pulled back down, unfortunately. BGXX on TikTok, somebody said. BGXX. This one's still pretty beaten down so far. Won it over VWAP. Snap felt pretty heavy up there, so everything getting rejected. So far, yes. So far, yes. We just got to find the right trade. We just got to find the right setup, right trade, take it aggressively, and then you get back in the green. That's exactly what's happened every single day. I get chopped up, and then out of nowhere, I see the one trade, the one good setup, take it, $600, $400, $700, and then I'm green on the day. BGXX trying to get over VWAP. That one's making a nice little bit of a move. Somebody else on TikTok also called that one out. Top tick trader. Are you in already, top tick trader? Or you're waiting for that VWAP break? You guys calling out ENOB? Are you guys on ENOB or no? HPCO downtrend. HPCO broke out of this downtrend. I mean, broke out of the uptrend. And Ape Traits is in on NNT. NTNX does look good. Where's the pullback down to? $22 maybe? MRSA taking some on HPCO as well. HPCO down at that dip 9. Ape Trades took some on NTNX. NTNX also has a little bit of a downtrend as well. This is what we want to see on this one. Once you get your 5-minute entry, look for the downtrend break. BGXX short biased. Okay, I see it. What was your entry on this one, Ape Trades? Yeah, NTNX 2214. Okay, so you're in a small green trade right now. I see a small trade right now. Snap kind of trying to also bottom out down here. This is the same thing Snap did yesterday. Snap opened up, ripped, and then pulled back, created a nice 5-minute flag that I was in a little too early because I lost on it, but then it ripped back up. Come on, we all need this thing to work. We all needed this thing to work just for Ape Trades. We need Ape Trades to get an awesome trade from $22 all the way up to 23. Come on. Retest downtrend here maybe. It's a small break, but there we go, Ape Trades. There we go, Ape Trades. There we go, Ape Trades. There we go. All right. What are we looking for? 22.83 new high, $23. Look at this thing curl back up. Nice job. Nice entry, Ape Trades. Nice entry, man. Looking for high of day and $23. Oh my gosh. I fat fingered that. I did not mean to buy, but I fat fingered it. Okay, I'm in, I guess. I fat fingered that. But that worked out. Looking for $23 break. Looking for $23 break. It's right there. 22. Nope, stopped me out. Dang, I was up 200 on that play. Big ol' rejection, man. This is exactly what the market's doing this time. Dude, I legit sometimes I buy and I tell you guys I'm buying, but that right there was a fat finger. I did not mean to buy. I fat fingered a $35,000 position. But I never saw red. Since I bought in, I never saw red. This thing kept squeezing and I saw high there, so that was just a breakout trade. But Ape Trades, man. I don't care how much you made, Ape Trades. That right there is the perfect setup. God, my fingers are cold. The most I've ever had on a trade was like 6,000. Really? It doesn't matter how much you have. Sometimes they move so slow and you can have a lot of money and it doesn't move at all, you know? Sometimes you can have a little bit of money and it moves like crazy and then you're like, what the heck, man? GFAI. GFAI. Looking for 50-cent break on GFAI. That was a nice little pullback of 47 there. YouTube chat, how are you guys doing? We're looking for 50-cent break on GFAI. TikTok people, you guys trading with me? You guys trading live with me? GFAI is moving this slow, or is it just me? BGXX trying to attempt the VWAP break. GFAI trying to use 47, may dip down to 45. Kevin said GCT, GCT. Oh wow. Another dead cat bounce play. Mercer, did you get out of that HPCO dip trade at a break even, a small win, or you took a loss on that one? My only problem with BGXX is this thing is sitting at $2. This thing has to make $1.50 a share just to get back to highs. And you know, sometimes you're like $1.50 a share, that's not a lot, but it's a lot for this stock. Look how much room it has. That has to be a mega squeeze to do that. Break even, should take a profit, but oh well, that's okay. Getting used to holding them, When you hold one of those, it'll rip for you. Looking at JFAI, seeing if we get a dip trade down here. That 47 seems to be holding. NTNX trying again. NTNX trying again. Let's look at this one. This one we're looking for that $23 break. Ape trades, that was a beautiful trade, man. That was a beautiful trade. Snap again, curling back up. Finally found the bottom on that flag. If Snap gets back up to 1150, I will play that one a little bit more aggressive for the break of 1160 because it wants it. NTNX looking for 23 again. May take a high of day scalp on this one up here if I get a good entry, if I see volume is coming in. Snap needs to get over 1140 first. NTNX trying, but this thing is not. Kevin, are you in on GCT or are you just calling it out because this thing? Oh, this thing is halted now. GFAI, that was a dip, the 47 dip, looking for break of 50. Good dip buy here for MRSA on GFAI, but I do want to look at NTNX as well. NTNX looking for $23 break. That is an expensive stock. And then GFAI looking for 50-cent break. Kalar is on momentum scanner. What does that one look like? This is a new 5-minute candle on GFAI. NTNX still wants that $23 break. NTNX on another little flag here. Always draw your simple trend lines, simple downtrends, uptrends, and see if you can find. What are we looking at trading today? Looking at right now NTNX and let's see, even another uptrend here on NTNX. If I get a flush on NTNX down to this pennant here, I might take another trade. And then GFAI as well. GFAI looking for that 50-cent break. NTNX still looking strong. NTNX still looking for that 23 whole dollar break. Today's been pretty slow. Yesterday it was slow, but at least we had one or two stocks that we were able to trade. Today, I am not seeing a lot. GFIA could not break that 50 cents. SXCC, damn, I had an order at trade 0176 and didn't get filled because the platform was lagging. To short it at 176, dang. Look at GFAI. I mean, look at that thing. That just flushes. Ridiculous. Kevin. Okay, it's interesting how you trade, Kevin. It's nothing looks like quality setup, so need to force trades and lose money in the market. Tomorrow is always an opportunity. Here's a little bit of a dip on NTNX, maybe worth trying to stab down here. Kind of the bottom of this uptrend here, kind of the bottom of this pennant. See if it turns back around and gives us that move back up through $30. Just small ads here, not trying to catch a flush, we're trying to catch a small bounce back up. Snap 5-minute maybe? Yeah, that one's looking good. BGXX, nice. Okay, now that's a nice move on BGXX. See, but this thing makes a nice move, and that's 10 cents. We need $1.50. We need $1.50 on this thing. And this thing used to be $58. I don't understand. You're in at 190. You took the breakout of VWAP. Snap is also making a nice little flag here. Snap does feel very heavy though. Since the morning, Snap has felt heavy. I could not get the 1160 break. And then look at NTNX. This is the move that I was looking for right here. Just the bottom of that trend line, started averaging in there, trying to get the breakout trade to the top of that pennant. Could have taken half here, but I stopped out on that one. But let's see if we get a break a downtrend on NTNX. Let's see if we get a break of downtrend on NTNX and curl back up to 23. 20% trade right there for Zach on BGXX. Good job, man. I want to see if BGXX closes high and gives us a 5-minute flag. NTNX kind of retesting downtrend here. Got back in on got back in and instantly stopped out, break even again. On NTNX, looking for this break of downtrend, small retest, and see if we can get the move back up. I'm stopping out of that one real quick. $33 down. GCT looking for 1950. Okay, GCT might set up a nice 5-minute flag. Just nothing is working out. ENOP flagging again. So ENOP and GCT. What the heck, Kevin? GCT. Oh, big old flush on GCT. GCT spreads are 30 cents, 26 cents. That is a lot. The platform is Thinkorswim. This is just a slow day, man. September, come on, man. You did mushroom stock. Yeah, yeah. MNMD. Top stocks for John right now. See, it's just BGXX. Mine is still looking at NTNX. I don't know why. I just think this stock wants $23, but it just won't break out. It won't get there. BGXX could still make a move. We need a 5-minute flag on this one. Break-even trades today so far for me, so haven't really stepped up on any of them. Still break-even. VLCN. VLCN gaining some volume. High on this one's 339. That's right there. And where's the volume? This is the one that needs to have volume, and it doesn't have anything. September is historically slow and red. Yeah, I think these are technically the slowest months of the year, August, September, and then picks up for New Year. But you know what? We're still trying to get some trades. I'm sure we're gonna get some good trades sometime. GCT. Anybody did buy the flush to view up on GCT? Even though the red candles are a lot of volume, but a little bounce there. Ape trades. You keeping your profit today? Enob just completely flushed, man. Ugh. BGXX. BGXX. That 5 minute candle is a straight up topping tail. And TNX again. I can't tell. I'm the same way. Down 22. My old man just texted me to book 18 tomorrow morning, but I'll keep you posted about how it goes. Is that for golf? Zach, did you catch anything else yesterday either? How did golfing go yesterday? I mean, how did can you explain not being able to sell in halt and downside and how it works? SHPH flushed. Oh my gosh, this is stock you guys wanted to trade. Look at it. SHPH. Lang was like this morning. Should we degens trade this one? This is why whenever every time Lang says something, don't do it, man. This is why every time Lang if says buying here, selling here, whatever, just don't do it. Look at this. Lang said, should we all trade SHPH this morning? Can you explain not being able to sell in halt on downside and how it works? You can't sell during halt, period. Wait till I break my curse before following me into trades. Today's the day, man. Today's the day. Today's September, new month. Remember I told you. September is your month, Lang. Today you break the curse. GCT. I mean, all these things are setting up and not one has broken out, so I'm scared to jump in on another one. And GCT 5 minute flag, 5 minute volume is the complete opposite of what you want. Yeah. Yeah, halt just means you're halted and you can't trade the stock until it resumes, and then once it resumes, you can maybe get out of it before it halts again or something like that. Pixie Loco, let's see. Oh my gosh, dude. It's like the only I really don't know if we've just had very low lack of volume in the markets recently. But I don't know if this is a reason why these stocks are rallying and not everything else, man. Like these low volume stocks are just flying, flying. And then the ones that you're actually trying to trade, shorts are in it, trying to go short. VLCN is the only one trying to also keep moving for now. But I mean, this thing has no volume. This thing has no volume. And then the ones that don't have volume, like this one at all, gap up $10, $15 a share. You took some NTNX down there. It's quite frustrating. Maybe $2 pivot on BGXX. BGXX maybe down to that $2, maybe down to VWAP, but look at that 5 minute candle, man. but I do see that. I could see $2, yeah. Appreciate all the likes you guys are sending over on TikTok, you guys. If you guys want to watch the whole thing, you guys can follow my YouTube and you guys can see my whole screen and face a lot better than the TikTok. I think VLCN might actually be halted. I mean, I saw it. No, it's not. It's just moving that slow. It's literally just moving that slow. Yeah, so with those 5 minute setup, guys, you want that thing to look clean, right? So if you're looking at no, not VLC, BGXX, you're like, okay, yeah, that volume's a little bit lower, the volume's a little bit higher on the way up, but then also see what happened, right? We had a big push, and then we had try to make another big push, and then look at that 5 minute candle. It's a big topping tail. I mean, study how candles form, and you guys know that the way they close. This means that this pulled all the way up there and then closed all the way down there. That's not a good sign for buyers. That's not a good sign for buyers. Look at Pixie. 26 all to 34 and then halt down. HPCO broke downtrend. Broke downtrend. $2 a share from where we need it though. Days like this, guys, is where you just need to stay consistent. Days like this is where either you just like sniper trace, there's nothing, I don't see anything, I'm gonna get out of here and not lose money. And if you're still gonna watch, I mean, possibilities always show up, right? Something. Is SPY still dropping today? Oh my gosh. Actually, you know what? I think it's time for SPY to bounce. There's a very good resistance at like 390. Hold on. Let me look at SPY. You guys want to trade some large caps? What do you guys think of SPY down here? I think this thing needs a little bit of a bounce. So I had this resistance, this right here. On the 4 hours, you could see 390, 390, 390. Maybe 390 holds again. What about some like Friday expiration 400 calls? Or actually maybe a call spread. Buy vertical. Make or lose 250. I'll do that. Over 391. No, but if I do a call spread, I'm going to do it for tomorrow. So I bought a small call spread on SPY right now at that 390. Over 391 I make $320 or something like that, and then if not I lose $280. So there's that same zone that I was looking at. I want to see if this thing bounces here. Okay, back to small caps. That's just kind of a smaller play. We're really not watching anything, aren't we? What it snap consolidating. COVID is not being kind to me. Maybe it is COVID, man. Maybe you just take a break until you're fully back from COVID. Zach, are you still holding NTNX? And then see if that helps you, man. Maybe there's a lot of times before when I was trading bigger share sizes last year There was a lot of times, man, where I just woke up and I was like, you know what? I just don't feel like trading today. I just don't feel good. My stomach hurts, my head hurts. I just don't feel good. I'm tired, and I was like, I'm just not gonna trade, and I just wouldn't trade because I knew back then when I was trading that big share size that a stupid mistake could put me down two, three, four, five, $7,000, and those were a little harder to recoup. So I was like, you know what? I'm not trading today. I'm gonna leave it alone. So it's okay to not trade, right? It's okay to not trade. Zach, are you still holding NT and X? Sorry. What did you get it at? Like 22.20s? TikTok people, you guys have any questions for me? I know it's hard for you guys to watch from there, but I am hopefully going to be getting a stream key 2-3 weeks from now. I have to wait for that third-party agency. CMRA sent alert. This is why I put alerts everywhere. CMRA and NTNX still trying, so looking at these two right now. What do I think of AL? This thing is free. Nah, this thing is gonna go back to lows. I mean, this thing is probably free falling right now. I think AL goes back to $11. Okay, CMRA. Does CMRA give us a trade? Look how choppy this is. CMRA also has downtrend all the way from yesterday. So all the way from pre-highs, just draw your downtrend. See if we even get over that thing. So right now you can see it on my screen. Kind of downtrend right there. We tried spiking over it. Oh my God, look at that flush. GCT. Wow. This was the play. I don't understand, man. It was like 10 stocks that popped up this morning. Couldn't watch all of them, and GCT is the one that made the move. I think Kevin is on this one, right, Kevin? On YouTube. Honestly, BGXX as well. Now it's made two red candles and consolidated low. Went down, touched the ADMA. Maybe that was the entry right there with this pivot there. Yeah, that was a pivot. Thanks for telling us, Mersa. That is, even though we had that rejection here, this is the one that I didn't like. After that, it made two 5-minute candles. After that, two 5-minute candles with the low volume. That was it. Ape Trace took that. Ape Trace, you took that flag right there? Dang, so we gotta blame Ape Trace, man. Ape Trace is the one we gotta blame. RIBT. You like these low volume stocks right here like this, right, Kevin? You kind of like look at the percentages and then see these continue moving. So even though BGXX again did not make the cleanest move, this is the way to find the low, super low entries. Trust me, you do not want me calling out trades after last month. What is CMRA doing? CMRA is making a giant pennant. But, I mean, there was two plays, kind of missed them a little bit. GCT missed that one. This one, it was clean, but that red volume was not what we wanted to, but consolidated an extra 5 minute again with lower volume, decreased volume, could not get through VWAP, so then obviously it ripped. And then BGXX, perfect pivot flag. VRX, I haven't even looked at VRX today. Has anybody called that VRX today? Yeah, this one also had a decent flag, yeah. All the stocks that I'm watching on my side chart, none of these are doing anything. I had Snap, which is curling back up. GFAI, I mean, kind of consolidating. And then NTNX, nothing. VLCN kind of flushed up. I mean, squeezed up, flushed down, and then back up, and doesn't know what it wants to do. It's kind of like CMRA. And then BGXX down there as well. Snap is trying to recover VWAP. Tried a dip on Snap. Lost 30, 40, 50 bucks, I think. This is honestly frustrating. Holy crap, SPY bounced off of that 390 something perfectly. BGXX, you're in. Sophie, somebody's calling out Sophie. Sophie's pretty being down. Hello, Juan. I need a money management with lot and capital, please. Where I found this, I do not do any money management or anything like that. VLCN still curling back up. VLCN has a high of 339 from yesterday. Let's see if volume comes in on this one. Look at this thing. Right up here. VLCN right under high of yesterday. And has no volume. Where's the volume in this thing? This thing should be squeezing here. Should be rattling through these levels. Pushing through 330. You guys are still checking out BGXX. Ape Trades, you sold all of your BGXX? Or did you keep some runners? Sold all. Maybe people really knew. They were like, okay, September, time to just head out. Not even try to trade at all. September comes around, don't even trade it at all. VREX are looking for 450. There goes VLCN trying to get that 39 high. And the next candle literally spawns lower. NTNX is still, I mean, kind of flush there, but kind of recovering it, right? NTNX, let me look at it. Yeah, I kind of flushed and recovered it all. This thing has a new downtrend, so adjust your downtrend, wait for the break of it, get on the other side, and then take your trade. VLCN finally broke that high of day that we were looking for, but I mean, there's no way I can trade that thing. That thing is moving so slow. You had a better average on BGXX than this, but he's still holding, bro. He's probably still holding, and he's looking for a bigger move, which maybe fake flushes and heads up. Zach, did you say you caught more fish yesterday or no? No, man, no, nothing big, nothing big. Rafiki made some profit on VRAX. Good job. Dude, you have to be on top of your toes to find all of these plays, man. VRAX is 5-minute flag. You had to be able to snipe that bottom right there at $4. And this thing is looking for 450. VLCN finally starts going, man. This thing now looking for 350. 339 was yesterday's high. Maybe this thing uses it as a pivot, but this thing is squeezing and there's no volume on this thing. You guys are probably tired of me complaining all day long, man. Oh, Sniper Traits is still here. 351 entry. Oh my god, I don't think you're getting that Sniper Trait. Look at this thing. You got out of VROX. Okay. Yeah, that 450 as well. Kevin is going to try some HPH. Are you crazy, Kevin? You are crazy, Kevin. You're crazy for that. Look at SPY. Maybe if I bought those calls, I could have been able to close them out. My spread is doing good, but it's not making me a lot. HPCO moving. Snap failed. VLCN failed. GFIA failed. Look at Snap, guys. I'm not getting that $170 back. For sure, I'm not getting that 170 back. HPCO needs to reclaim VWAP. GCT may be trying to come back. I think today might take the winning spot of slowest day of the year. You recall a couple August days slower. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think even in August, I was able to get some plays in, get some trades every once in a while. Today, I literally feel like I can't find a single trade. I literally feel like I cannot find trades today. VRAX looking for 450, I get it, but you either have to be on your toes, and I'm glad I picked today to come to the office so I can't trade CryptoWire. You did the right thing, man. Or crypto, sorry. That's just how I talk. HPCO is trying to reclaim VWAP. Let me see. VRAX you like? HPCO maybe. VRX for 450 break. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me, man. You've got to be kidding. You've got to be kidding me. Like, you don't even get a chance to trade. I might take a dip if it gets back to 431-ish, 30s, but this thing hits 450 to the penny, instant rejection. Look at look at Lang is up $1 a share on HPCO. Okay. VLCN, that was another stock that we were looking at earlier. $402 entry on VRAX. 402 might be a little too low. If this thing drops down to 402, I don't think it'll recover that much. I'm trying to see if this thing flushes real quick, pulls down, and then maybe buyers step up down there real quick or something like that. Right here-ish, right here somewhere. If this thing breaks the support here, and I want to see if buyers step up right after that. HPCO is climbing back up. I think Lang is already in on that one. What's your cost basis for that one, Lang? VREX is so slow, I know that if I buy this right here, it's going to flush. It's going to flush 10, 20 cents real quick. HPCO is the one climbing right back up to 950 almost. I want to look at HPCO real quick. So HPCO, the high we hit today was 1065. 825 was your entry, Lang. Holy crap, that's a good entry, Lang. Good job. Told you September was your month. I told you September was your month. Borrows are pricey on HPCO. You telling me shorts aren't going to come in there? GCT also trying a little bit, but not a fan of that one. I want to see VRAX. If it keeps holding these lows here, doesn't flush through it, holds that 431 pivot again. This is a month of Ape and Lang. This is maybe I'm gonna take the hit September for you guys. But you know what? I'll be fine with that. I'll be fine with that. Maybe this is my bad month, and this is Ape Traits and Lang's month right here. No shorts on HPCO on interactive brokers. Look at VLCN. This is the other one I was looking for a trade. Look at that. It takes an hour and a half to grind up, and it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes to give it all back that fast. STT trades up 370 on HPCO. There you go, up $370 on HPCO. Good job. Lang sniped that entry on HPCO. Let me see what made you take that trade. You said 825. Another dip trade there. Is Ape Trade still in here? I'm going trade TCVA. You're gonna trade TCVA. Okay. What are you gonna go full port in there? VRAX still pulling down, still holding this. Honestly, HPCO is looking a little bit better now. Oh, there goes the flush through VRAX. HPCO, if HPCO wants to keep going, it's got to go. Look at this 5 minutes. I already stalled once. You don't want it to stall on this one again. And volume is not. This 5 minute just started, but you need HPCO to get going. 964 was the previous high of pre-market highs, so you need that. It's also getting stuck at 950. VRAX, you to try to get a bottom there. Yeah. I should be playing. We should all be playing games right now instead, man. Anybody run? Anybody run some Apex, some Fortnite, some Rocket League? I'm a Tarkov guy. I have not played that game. My friend keeps telling me to get it. I have not played that game at all. Multiverses. Nobody will beat me. If you like pain, come join me. Hopefully I get that TikTok stream key, because nobody likes seeing my screen like that. They can't see anything. But guys, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube. You guys go check out my YouTube. Go like my recaps. Subscribe to my YouTube. I didn't realize I need 1,000. I was like, yesterday, I was like, you know what am I doing? Why am I not monetizing my YouTube? Because I saw that you could add tips now. And I was like, you know what? I'm still streaming free. I was like, maybe somebody wants to just give me a quick little tip or something for everything I've done for you guys. And I was like, let me add the tips. And I couldn't do it. I didn't realize you needed 1,000 subscribers for that. Look at VRAX. This is what happens when you don't get volume. This is what happens when you don't get volume. Zach got some BGXX at VWAP. This is dying. The volume is dying on this stock. But I always get scared on these. It's trapping buyers on purpose, right? It's trapping buyers on purpose. Just to flush us through VWAP. But I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if this thing keeps consolidating like this. Now y'all should all buy it to pump it up. HPCO still hanging in there. Everybody on TikTok sending likes to me. Appreciate it, guys. BGXX. Is it just going under the ADMA on the 5 now? Actually, a lot of buyers stepped in down there. Okay. That was a quick turnaround. First 5-minute candle making new high right there. That was a quick turnaround. I want to see a first 5-minute candle making new high, which is 216, and we're right under it. Kind of trying to break out of this downtrend. I'm seeing a lot of green through here, and the way that bounced up, it tells me there's a lot of buyers, so I'm taking a stab here. Not the big share size, not the super confident trade, just a small trade here, see if I get at least some profit, or at least lose a little bit of profit, because that seems what it's likely going to happen. Looks like it's exactly what's going to happen. There we go. A little bit of a pop at least. Not gonna hold, it's gonna flush. So I am out of that trade. I am red today. I don't know how much red I am, but I am red. Looks like for the month of September, I'm going to start off with a red day and ending my streak. So let's see. Hopefully it's a small day. I would take a guess $200 red. Honestly, don't want to be more red than that on a stupid day like this. 217. Wow. So I'm okay with that. Small red day. HPCO. HPCO back up. Why did my watch list disappear? HPCO back to that 964. Red days aren't fun. Yo, bounce back. It's not even that it's a red day. It's like it's bothering more that there's no volume. Here goes $10 break on HPCO, and then 1065 is a high on this one. Let's see if we can squeeze a little bit here. 964 was the previous high of day pre-market, so maybe even a dip trade to that thing. But you know, guys, nothing has worked out at all today, so just going to be careful here. HPCO trying to get through $10. Already broke $10. 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we hold the $20 mark here on this one or not. This is a pretty volatile stock, so a small move is going to give you big return, big percentage. It's going to close right at 10, of course. Everything is calculated perfectly, of course. A lot of buyers on the stock. Let's see if we can catch a nice little flush. Even like a 964 retest would be nice. And this is the last 5-minute candle. This is the last 1-minute candle in this 5-minute candle. So that's a good thing. We'll close high. We will close high. So being careful here. Watching this one now. Okay, this is just gonna squeeze the highs, and I am not in at all. Flush to 10 and I'll get in. It's not quite 10, not quite 10 yet. Oh, I meant to fully get out there. Oh, maybe a good thing I didn't. That thing pulled back and stopped me right there? Start with 100, bro. What does that mean? I got stop hunted. What's up, Brian Luis? What's up, man? Welcome back, man. That was BS, dude. I was up like $100 on that trade and pulled right back down, stopped me out, $6 loss, and then pulled back up again. That just sums up all of today. That sums up all of today. Yeah, I saw it in Discord, yeah. Hopefully SPY bounce. Actually, Ryan, I did get a call spread on I got a call spread on SPY today down at 390. 390 like 70 80 cents or something like that. It did pull back. I got it on that first bounce, but I'm going to hold them over 391 is my profit on that one. But today, Ryan, I'm not doing so good, man. I am red today. Ape Trade's gonna head out with his profit. Awesome, Ape Trades. This is your month and Lang's month, man. Lang, are you green today? Please tell me you're green today, Lang. Because you guys both have to be green. Both you and Ape Trades both have to be green today. For now. Ryan, if you want, man, I don't know. You only trade large caps, Ryan? On TikTok? Do you only trade large caps or you trade small caps too? Sniper trade's also gonna hit out for the rest of the day. No trades for him. You're new, okay. I was gonna say if you wanted to, Ryan, if you wanted to watch on YouTube or Tradecaster, it is a lot better, man. You see my whole screen, like you'll see my whole screen and everything, and all my people are mostly watching over there. I'm doing TikTok for now like this, but YouTube is gonna be better if you want to go watch me on YouTube. HPCO is still kind of consolidating right here, right over 10, trying to get the move back up to 1065. At least I am keeping a small red today, right? I mean, I've gone on 8 days green straight. Uh, I know it's September. I know it's the start of September, and I know I'm starting red. But a $200 loss is not uh, anything bad at all. And TNX. I mean, I could sit here all day and wait for that one good setup, that one good trade, and play it fairly aggressive, not even super aggressive, and get my $200 back today. You can just tell the volume's not there today on anything. Like HPCO here would have broke 1065 already. Um, which one was the other one that we were looking at at the highs? VRX. This thing would have broke 450 without a question. Blair's also out. Blair's starting the month with a green day as well. People on YouTube, how are you guys doing today? Anybody green? Anybody red? Blair's green. Blair's green. Kevin, did you ever take SHPH? HPCO dipping back to $10. HPCO dipping back to $10. Kind of forming the bottom there at 988. Could have been an ad there. Looking at the 5-minute candle, 5-minute chart, this is looking good. Well, guys, everybody watching today, I'm sorry today sucks. I'm sorry I might be a green brother while driving, Isaiah. What the heck? You're trading better driving than me sitting here focused. HPCO here again. Hits held $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. How is this thing not ripping to high of days? I don't even know what the high on this one. Okay, it does mark the high as $41. That is crazy. I mean, NTNX broke downtrend and pulling back. I think somebody just called this. Lang just called this. Pana goes. How's it going today? Today I am slightly red. Small red day. Small red day. Oh my god. 950, 960 looking at HPC. Yeah, I can see the 960. I can see that. The 964 was previous high of day. And this is pulling back, and this is lighter volume up here, so I don't. It doesn't look like shorts are trying to come in here, but I don't know, man. Good job, Isaiah. Good job keeping that red today. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Yeah, Lang is right. The first time it hit that 980 MA tap, it did not bounce. This 5 minute candle is about to close here now too though. That's two 5 minute candles consolidation. Here we go, new candle. So now what? Do we rip up? Do we keep holding these levels here? Pull down to that 964-ish? I know a thing or two about flushes. I just don't know where the entry is, man. Yeah, we have a downtrend here trying to break out of it up to 1060s. And down here, I mean, I guess we have also another one, but are we really just gonna wait? And this thing might not even retest it. It's such a tiny little pennant that this thing might just break out one of these ways and head out. TRCT on momentum scanner. TCRT. Still HPCO trying. Look at that. There's a downtrend trying to break out of it right there. Broke out of it a tiny bit with the wick. But now what? Tucks back inside of it. TCRT. No, I'm not trading that. Kevin did get on. Is it SHPH you grabbed? Yeah, you did. You're holding up to $70. Okay. I hope that worked out for you, Kevin. That's crazy. Hopefully that works for you, man. That's a crazy trade. There goes HPCO again. This should be the squeeze here. If this doesn't squeeze, it's today, and you know, nothing's gonna work. $10.39 is the pivot. Right there, $10.39. Okay, that's taking some shorts out. High of day, 1063. Okay, now it breaks out. No trade for me though. Watching, see if this thing holds. 1063 pivot maybe. Was anybody in on this breakout? Zach. Trying to hold $11 right now, but that is so close to high of days. I can't take a trade there. It might flush through 11. That's a big risk trade. John was in that one too. My God, man. Zero, zero shares through this a big old move for me. You guys killing it, man. Zach just went green with that trade. Good job, man. Good job, man. That's $1 a share again for both of you guys. Another $1 a share for both of you guys right there. Jims, glad you're in here, man. Glad you're in here. Appreciate it. Terrible day. I mean, bad day is market opportunities. I just missed this big old leg here. Uh, Down $200 on the day. I think 220. Small red day. At least I'm keeping it small, but I missed this play here. You runners got stopped out earlier. You wish. I mean, we saw this thing even through VWAP down here. Crazy. $11 is holding really strong. So I am red on the day. Marsa added there. Low volume on this 5-minute pullback here too. I would slide with like a 1063 re-entry. $11 is holding. It does seem like it wants to have another leg, Zach. But I'm being patient so far. Okay, I bought that flush there. That was almost a 1063 dip. And it's take me out. Okay. Oh, come on, man. You got NTNX. Holy crap. Hold on. Where's NTNX on here? Where's NTNX on here? Oh, that looked better on the 5 minutes. Well, guys, buyers just did not want to step in there. So I might have to call it there just to be safe and not blow up today. I mean, I was getting frustrated all day. I had a very nice entry. I think I had a very nice entry there, and sometimes it just doesn't work for you. So where's that trade at? Let me see. HPCO. Look at that. Entry was right there. That should have been the dip to hold. And the way 11 held, I was like, you know what? There's a lot of buyers in here. Yeah, Big Steve. Awesome. Oh, to solid red day. Same here, man. I'm now sitting 900 on the day, red. And I thought 1060 was holding. The first bounce, I got it. I instantly popped up and I was up 250 on the day on that trade. Instantly, I was up 250, and then it started bouncing. I was like, you know what, this might be it, and it just flushed right through. And when I clicked the stop to get out, it didn't take me out where I wanted it to. It was like took a second and pulled me down at like 1020. So let me see what I sold. Yeah, 1019 is where I sold. 1020. When I thought I clicked it like 1040-ish, 10 not 1050, like 1040-ish is I thought when I clicked it, and that order was getting dragged down as it was trying to get me out. So let me see. Today, finally, you know, when you have a green streak, what happens afterwards? When you have a green streak, what happens afterwards? This is ridiculously stupid. First day of September, down $900. So down 900 on the day now. I mean, I should have known with today's date. I should have known. I kept saying everything was flushing. I should have known this thing was already overextended. But you know what? I kept trading it. I kept trading it. My SPY calls are green. And that's pretty much it. I think, guys, I'm just going to call it there. I can't be risking too much. You know, there's literally nothing that's showing up today in this market. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my loss, suck it up, get over it, and then just come back tomorrow and try it again. I mean, that's just part of trading. If I keep trading here and I get emotional, especially today, I wasn't even down bad on the day. I was down 200 a day, which is very acceptable. I would have been rather down 200 than 900. I got terrible fills on HPCO. So frustrating. That's exactly what just happened to me. I tried getting out at 1040, 1050-ish, and didn't sell me until 1020. So pretty big loss there. Crap tickets get stuck for all of us use. But it's okay. 900 to start the day. I mean, August I took a bigger loss at the beginning of the month. During August I went, first day I went 1,000 green, and the next day I went 2,800 red. So in the first 2 days of August, I was down 1,800. So in the first 2 days of August, I was down almost 2 grand starting off August, and I still finished up green, and I still got 4 or 5 thousand on August, something like that. Let me see. Yeah. So nothing upsetting here. Definitely frustrating, but nothing blow up account or anything like that. Just very unfortunate. You guys have any questions for me or anything like that before I head out? This is me being a what's it called? A disciplined day trader right here. Nerve as always. Are you shorting it or is it coming back up again? Let me see. Oh my god, this thing is coming back up. I'll keep an eye on the market, but if I come back in and trade something, gotta sell into green. You have to. Check out SHP. I saw it. I saw it. Last time I saw it, it was like 68, 72. Good job, Kevin. Good job. You coming in on Friday, right? What do you mean, Jim's coming in on Friday? I'll be here trading Friday. Yeah, I'll be trading Friday. Monday, next Monday is a holiday, so I don't think there's trading next Monday. Yeah, I'll be here the rest of the week. I'll be trading the rest of the week. It'd been a while since I get caught up in a nasty flush, so I mean, maybe I was due for one again. Nasty flush though. Nasty flush, nasty fill. Alright guys, if you guys don't have any questions for me, I am going, oh, let me check TikTok. I only trade stocks. And then my opinion on Nasdaq. I mean, right now I bought some call spreads on SPY. I'm expecting a little bit of a bounce over that 390, maybe back up to that 400 or something like that. Alright guys, so I am going to head out for the rest of the day. I unfortunately have to stop with that loss there. John, appreciate it on YouTube. Thank you, Juan, appreciate it. Uh, Sykes bought HPCO at 11 and just lost 6K. It got all of us, I guess. Well, it got me for sure. It got me on that one. Definitely got me. I'm sure it got a lot of people. Chip up, brother. Let's get it back in Power Hour. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll keep an eye. If there's something moving with volume, I'll come back. But today has just been so slow for all of this morning that I mean, there's even now if I sit here for an hour or two, I don't know that there's going to be another opportunity to get back 900. Right? I'll chip away my loss, but to be a green day today may not happen. So you always just try to get your red day small if you have a big red day like today, or not a big red day, just a regular red day. But all right, guys. Yeah. Always try to chip away your red days and make them small. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get off, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good job, everybody that got green today. If you got green and got out, that's a good thing to do today. We all knew the market was slow, so maybe I should have played it safer, maybe just smaller shies or something like that. But unfortunately, I mean, half of that was the fills, and half of that was a move that I didn't expect, and probably a lot of buyers didn't expect either. Thanks, Juan. Thanks, everybody. Hope we get some setups later today. Yes, guys, if you guys want to keep trading, I will hang out in the Discord, see if anything pops up. Um, but I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live stream. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys then.